Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, mag-share ako kung paano makakuha ng 500 points sa Pera Swipe in less than a minute. Let's go to just go to settings and then scroll down and look for lock screen and security, and scroll down and then go to other security settings, and then look for pin windows. So i-turn on mo lang yan. After nun, punta naman tayo sa application, which is yung Pera Swipe. Open natin. Okay. So as you can see, my points is currently at 4,279. Ang current na balance ko. And then check natin later after nating ma-redeem yung 500 points in less than a minute. So lock na natin ang phone. So press lang natin yung menu key, tapos select lang natin yung pin icon and then start. After nyan, scroll down lang natin hanggang sa pinakadulo. Yan, scroll lang. At nakikita nyo, padagdag ng padagdag yung points. So, pag nasa pinakadulo na tayo, swipe lang natin sa kanan and then tap lang natin yung icon na naswipe natin hanggang sa pinakadulo. Magbibigay siya ng notification kapag tapos na natin na-swipe lahat. So ayan na, you got all the unlock points today. Para ma-unlock natin or ma-unpin natin yung phone, press and hold lang yung back key and then yung menu key at the same time. Ma-unpin na siya. There you go. And then unlock na natin yung device. Punta na tayo sa application at check na natin yung points natin. Okay, so ayan na. So 4,777 points ang total na ng balance ko. So guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, just hit the like button at huwag kalimutan na rin mag-subscribe. Bye!